saturated solution is heated to a high temperature, अगर एक saturated solution को heat किया जाएगा to a higher temperature, then it becomes unsaturated. Now what happens when a saturated solution is heated? Then the solubility of the solute increases on increasing the temperature. Because when a saturated solution is heated, then the kinetic energy of the liquid molecules increases, and as a result, since due to the increase in the kinetic energy of the liquid molecules, they move apart, and as a result, more of the solute can be dissolved in the solution. Because the interparticle space increases between the solute molecules, and more solute can be dissolved in the given solvent on the increased temperature. So if a saturated solution is heated to a higher temperature, then it becomes unsaturated. Unsaturated means now more of the solute can be dissolved in the solution at an increased temperature. More solute can be dissolved in this solution now. So one condition is that how can we make a saturated solution unsaturated? So once again I repeat that if a saturated solution is heated to a higher temperature, then or at an increased temperature, the solubility of the solute particles increases, because the kinetic energy of the liquid molecules increases on increasing the temperature, and therefore more and more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. So one way is to make a saturated solution unsaturated by increasing the temperature. एक तरीका तो ये है किसी भी saturated solution को unsaturated बनाने का, that we can increase the temperature, because on increasing the temperature solubility of solute increases. As a result, more solute can be dissolved in the solution. दूसरा तरीका ये है कि हम एक saturated solution को जिसमें further solute dissolve नहीं हो सकता at a given temperature, अगर उस solution में हम solvent की जो क्वांटिटी है उसको बढ़ाते हैं by adding more solvent to a saturated solution, that saturated solution will become unsaturated, because at a particular temperature in a given amount of solvent, जब solute dissolve होना बंद हो जाता है तब वो solution saturated बोला जाता है. लेकिन अगर एक saturated solution में जो solvent present था उस solvent की amount को अगर हमने increase कर दिया by adding more amount of solvent to it, then that solution will become again unsaturated. अब उसमें और ज़्यादा solute dissolve किया जा सकता है. So two ways are there to make a saturated solution unsaturated, either by increasing the temperature or by adding more solvent to it. Then the next topic is unsaturated solution. So a solution in which more of the solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. मतलब वो solution जिसमें हम solute को add करें और वो dissolve हो जाए. किसी भी solvent में जब solute को add किया जाए और वो stir करने पे dissolve हो जाए, तो इस तरीके के solution को हम unsaturated solution बोलते हैं. A solution in which more of the solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. This is known as unsaturated solution. और यही unsaturated solution saturated कब बन जाता है? जब solute को add करते करते solvent में एक stage ऐसी आए कि further solute dissolve होना बंद हो जाए. Then at that particular temperature, at that stage, the solution will be called as the solution will be said to be saturated solution at the given temperature. Solution को तब क्या बोला जाएगा? Saturated बोला जाएगा. So a solution in which more of the solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is unsaturated solution.